Hey guys, this is Tim. How are we doing? Just got a few minutes to kill. Our little girls are off having their hair cut at long last, thankfully, and I'm going to be making my way to the groomers shortly to pick them up, but I've got a few minutes to spare, and I thought I'd just pull over for a little while whilst I'm waiting for them and have a chat to you guys. So you will recall in the last video, right at the very end, I said that I'm thinking of giving film photography another go, and I was going to look at using my original camera, the very first camera that I had when I was 15. It was given to me by my uncle. I was planning to dust that off and basically put some film in that and go out and start shooting with it, but on further inspection, it's a little bit worse for wear than I expected, unfortunately. The part in the film back that holds the film plane, in front of the shutter or behind the shutter, is completely detached as well. The aperture ring is missing. The aperture scale, sorry, on the camera body. Last time I looked at the camera, it was adrift. That's completely gone now, so I don't know where that's ended up. That's probably fallen down the back of the cupboard where the camera was. So yeah, it's not a viable option, unfortunately. But I have been watching, with a view to something completely different. I have been watching a few film cameras on eBay, and I fancied getting sort of like a little rangefinder type camera, or a little compact 35mm that I could use, because I want to try and get into doing a bit more street photography. And also another podcast that I listened to, the Sunny 16 podcast, which featured on the last show, occasionally run a cheap shot, what they call a cheap shot challenge, I think they call it, where they invite people to go and buy a second-hand camera, a roll of film, all for under 20 quid or $20 or whatever, and go out and shoot and have some fun with it. So I've been watching a little compact. As you know, my other camera is a Miranda. I'm quite into the Miranda brand, so I was looking at compact Mirandas, and I found a little Miranda 35 AF that was on a starting bid of $199, and it had a day or so to go before it ended. So I was watching it, and I've won it. So I was quite chuffed with that. It's actually arrived this morning. I did do a little unboxing. I'll show you it now. we go. Hopefully that will all be okay. The flash apparently works all of the time, whether it's switched on or not. I will have a look at that and see whether I can resolve it. If not, I might just stick a piece of tape over the flash and see whether that will suffice. I'm just a little bit concerned that it may alter the exposure values if it thinks the flash is firing, but we'll see. So yeah, I'll give that a go. I'm going to load that up with some film. I don't know whether to do black and white or colour. I have both. My wife bought some film a little while back. She works for Boots, and they were selling off some film. She bought me 2 or 3 boxes, so or 2 or 3, you know, film cartridges, 35mm. So yeah, I'm going to put some film through that, go and shoot some pictures, and see what we get. I will also, in a moment, show you a little video of the girls with their new haircuts. But in the meantime, have fun, stay safe, everyone. Go out and shoot if you can, and let me know what you're up to. It's great hearing back from you guys. Thanks ever so much. All the best now. See you later. Bye. They are sporting their new haircuts. Coco's the one nearest to us. Darcy just on the move towards the camera. There we go. Nice new summer haircuts. Darcy, good girl.